Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I have come up with one very big update that is coming up from Wipro regarding the hiring, and one date has been published. So I'll discuss in this video. So let's start. So this is a like the mail that is coming up from the Wipro team. We are pleased to inform you that you have cleared the audit process. So before this mail there was an audit process and the candidate has successfully completed that. So as a next step you will need to undergo the next gen associate pre-skilling training. The successful completion of this training will be one of the criteria for your onboarding. So definitely this training is mandatory, and this training is for the elite candidates. And what elite candidates? Candidates of the WILP. Keep that in mind. This is not for the project engineer role of BTech. This is for the WILP candidates. The NGA pre-skilling training will be conducted virtually, and you should have a stable internet connectivity for the training. So you have to respond to the survey link. The link is provided by 17th of February so that they can proceed with the further process. After your acceptance, they will go through the candidate will go through the NGA pre-skilling training. Once you confirm your acceptance, you will receive further communication from the team. So like here is the two email ID. If you have any question, you can write it. Okay. So one thing I want to clarify, that 17th of February is the last date to fill the survey link for all the WILP candidates. Here it is mentioned is audit process for the elite. Okay. So the process is considered as elite, and this is not for the elite candidates, okay, of the project engineer. This is for the WILP candidates, so keep that in mind. So this type of screenshot is circulating in various groups, so I thought of like confirming you guys. So this mail is all about the WILP candidates. So yeah, this was all about today's video. So like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned to my channel for more such updates. Thank you.